Hey y'all, it's Morgan here with his sister Madison. Where you go? Maddie. Madison. Why are you sleeping on the couch? Madison. Maddie.
You touch me, I kill you. No, they stay on the phone. No. You know I'm afraid of high chairs. Chair height. What?
Are you gonna be dancing now?
No.
Why not?
I'll be flying like an airplane because I'm going somewhere in a minute.
Sure you are.
I'm taking a trip to the kitchen. Then the couch. Then to TV. So then bed. Or maybe till 1 o'clock in the morning, then bed. Then in the morning I'll eat some muffins. Then we'll do the video.
She's not like this every day. Yeah. She was supposed to be dancing, but this came up randomly. So I find this more interesting.
Okay, then after I eat my muffin, we can maybe do the video. But then I have to take a nap after the muffin.
A nap at 1 o'clock in the morning?
No, in the morning. Because I'll be up before everybody else and be bored.
Yeah, she'll be up before everyone.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No need to call before everyone else.
So that was our video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.
Suck it.